Hi guys, worried about admission after class 12? Relax. We have an admission alert for teacher education. And this alert is by National Council of Educational Research Training, known as NCERT. It has 8 regional institutes. One is in Ajmer. Bhopal has 2 centers. Bhubaneswar, Mysore, Shillong and even New Delhi has 2 centers. NCERT was established in 1961 by Government of India. And this time in 2021, NCERT has invited application for the following 5 courses. The 3 are the integrated courses and 2 are the regular courses. BSc plus B.Ed for 4 year, BA plus B.Ed for 4 year, MSc plus M.Ed for 6 year. These 3 are the integrated courses. And B.Ed and M.Ed are for 2 years. These are the regular courses. Lot of questions in your mind that what is the starting date, the closing date, and from which website we can apply to, and the procedure. So we have answered these things. Firstly, note down the timeline. The online registration for all these courses have been opened from 20th of May 2021 and the closing date is 30th of June 2021. The common entrance examination of this year 2021 will be held on 18 July 2021 and the admit card for the same can be downloaded from the website from 10th of July 2021 to 18 July 2021. The last date of submission of qualifying examination marks for application appearing entrance examination of the integrated courses. These are the 3 courses BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed and MSc M.Ed is 25th of July. This can further be extended due to this pandemic and the delaying of the examination. The last date of submission of qualifying examination marks for application appearing entrance examination of B.Ed and M.Ed the regular courses is 30th of July 2021. And the declaration of results of these integrated courses will be held on 1st of August and the regular courses B.Ed and M.Ed will be held on 5th of August. And what are the eligibilities? Criteria for the different courses. For the first 3 courses, BA B.Ed plus BSc B.Ed and your MSc Ed course, these are based on your class 12 result. That means the students who are appearing in class 12 examination this year, that means 2021, who are still waiting to appear in 2021 examination, they all can apply. If you have taken any of the streams, science, commerce, arts, you can apply if you have scored 50% marks in aggregate. The relaxation of 5% to SC, ST, PWD candidates is there. This is the eligibility criteria for BSc B.Ed course. The students who have opted PCM in their class 12 means plus 2 level, so they can apply here. M here stands for mathematics or stats. And those seeking admission to biological science group must have passed physics, chemistry and bio. B here stands for biology and biotechnology. So both are accepted. And the same here 5% relaxation for the candidates from SC, ST, PWD categories and the ones who are still waiting to apply to appear in 2021 examination, they can also apply for this course. The MSc M.Ed also has the same kind of criteria. You can check it out. You can save this screenshot. The B.Ed, if you have completed your bachelor's degree or if you are waiting for your final examination and you scored 50% marks in that, you can apply for B.Ed course. M.Ed, if you have done any of the courses B.Ed, BA B.Ed, B.Ed, BSc B.Ed or BSc Ed or BLEd or DLEd with 50% marks, so you can apply for this M.Ed course. Now, how to prepare for this common entrance examination? This is the syllabus for the common entrance examination 2021. Group A, Group B and Group C. We have divided these 5 courses in groups. So, Group A consists BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, Group B B.Ed and Group C B.Ed MSc Ed. And the level of question papers will be based on this grouping. The level of questions will be such, for Group A especially, the level of question will be such as expected of the candidate completing higher secondary or senior secondary education. The level of question will be such for Group B as expected of the candidate completing graduation, and Group C will be on the completion of graduation. Now, for all the groups, areas to be tested are language proficiency, teaching aptitude and attitude, and reasoning ability. The number of test item will be 80. That means the objective, that will be an objective question paper, and you will have 80 questions to attempt. The time duration is 120 minutes for the test. So, you will have 1 minute 30 seconds for each question. Out of these 80 questions, 20 questions will be based on your language proficiency area, and 30 questions will be on teaching aptitude and attitude, and 30 questions are there to check your reasoning ability. One set of booklet will be given for each group. Medium of test booklets only in English or Hindi, except if you have opted for language proficiency. So correct answers will carry 2 marks each. But aware here, because if you have done the wrong answer, you have marked the wrong answers, there will be negative marking of 0.5 marks. And if there is any unattended question by you, so that will carry no marks. The next is the syllabus. So as there are 3 areas to test in your common entrance examination. So first one is language proficiency. That indicates specific areas like comprehension, rearranging sentences, selecting suitable words for the blanks, finding out errors, blah 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 blah, right? You can check it out from here. Teaching aptitude will cover specific areas like attitude towards education, children and teaching profession, interest in teaching, leadership qualities and group management, emotional and social adjustment, interpersonal and interpersonal skills, and general awareness, and so on. Just check it out, read out in detail. Reasoning ability indicating specific areas like verbal, non-verbal reasoning, missing numbers, numbers series, letter series, theme finding, jumbling, analogy, odd one out, arranging the statements, and so on. Just take the screenshot and go in detail. Prepare well for your examination. Still you have any doubt? So I have given the contact details. These are the contact numbers, the website from where you can apply, and you can check out the details, the descriptive details. Still you have any doubt? Then just mail them. So mail ID is also given here. So this is all. I hope you will do well in your common entrance examination and crack it. So with this, just like it, share and subscribe my channel. With this hope, swasth raho, mast raho, be happy and healthy. Bye guys.